Where you want to go, lady?
I'm very hungry. I want something very special with millions salty flavor. Do you know where to go?
I know just the place.
Taxi Driver Cafe!
택시 드라이버 카페 너와 둘이 함께 택시 드라이버 카페 맛있는 척 함께 Let me introduce you 택시 드라이버 카페 쌈 넣고 불고기 넣고 생강 넣고 바다를 넣고 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 하자마자 보이 You order love 택시 드라이브 카페 너와 둘이 함께 택시 드라이브 카페 맛있는 걸 넣고 쌈 넣고 불고기 넣고 생강 넣고 바다를 넣고 택시 드라이브 카페 너와 둘이 함께 택시 드라이브 카페 바다를 넣고 택시 드라이브 카페 택시 드라이브 카페 바다를 넣고 택시 드라이브 카페 택시 드라이브 카페 바다를 넣고
Sounds amazing. My mouth is already watering. I love bulgogi.
Me too. It's a shame I don't know how to make it.
But I know how to make it. So,
Yeah?
yeah? So shall I tell you how to make bulgogi until we arrive in Taxi Driver Cafe?
Go for it.
Yeah! Shall we check the ingredient first?
Why not?
Go sing!
Can you tell me how to prepare them ingredients?
Of course, here we go! Vegetarian meat. Come on! This is chewy juicy 맥덕, which is very similar texture of bulgogi meat. Put in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes in 170 degrees. Come on! Happy Carol, here she is! Oh, beautiful carrot! 7 cm long and 11 cm round tummy. Just perfect. 짜잔! Happy Carol, you can prepare like this, just like stock's legs. 짠짠짠, 짠짠짠, 빵! Hello, mushrooms! Chop, 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 like this. Fantastic! 띠용, 왕! Pepper, prepare like this. Here we go! Well done! Cabbage! I prepare cut of cabbage. Cabbage will add crunchy, happy taste in bulgogi dish. So it is very necessary. You need to prepare just like this. Long and short and medium. You can prepare whatever you like, but thin please. Come on, spring onion, 짠짠. I prepare 2 spring onions. You can prepare just like which is nail. Onion time. Same size as pepper. 짠! Now we have all our vegetables prepared. Let's go to party. Yeah.
Sauce time!
Okie dokie. Let's start. 1 tablespoon of garlic. Half teaspoon of sugar. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. And then 2 pinch of black pepper. 슝슝. And then 7 tablespoons of water. 훌루루루. And then mix. Super easy. bulgogi sauce is ready. This is the final step. Fry time. Okie dokie, let's start. Put the medium high heat, please. And then add vegetable oil. 슝 슝. When it is hot, we can add onion first. Come on, onion. Don't forget one pepper. And stir them well. And cabbage, please. 슝. Stir well. And then our happy carrot, please. Come on. And then when onion go clear, you can add your beautiful mushroom. Jujuju and pepper. Looks very colorful and nice. And then we can add our vegetarian meat. They are crispy now. It will be chewy and nice. Stir them well, please. 슝. And then let's add our bulgogi sauce. Smell. My mouth is watering. And then finally, we can add our green spring onion. Almost there. Shoo. And then let's decorate with sesame seed like tiny snowdrops. Ready!
Okay, here we are. Hold on.
Wow, look at this, our full bed.
Wow, looks amazing.
And look at this, look at that, and look at this, and look at this as well.
So many dishes.
So exciting. So shall we make beautiful sound?
Yes.
Let's try. Wow!
Wow, let's try.
Let's try.
That is so delicious, and even more so because we're in the taxi driver cafe.
That's right, with taxi driver.
I really like that, and I like the fact that you put everything together yourself, like DIY food.
Oh, that's true. DIY Korean food.
So great.
So great. Thank you for watching Boom Carol Cooking Show, and I hope you enjoyed Korean taxi driver cafe's food bull bag. Good luck when you